Hi, it's Catherine, and this is a quick video to help people understand polyvagal massage technique. And I'm not going to go into any theory in this video, but basically this is a technique that can help the nervous system learn better to switch from an activated fight, flight, freeze kind of mode to a more regulated rest, digest kind of mode. And this technique is easy, it's fast, it's portable, you can really do it anywhere, and I highly recommend with my clients to do it at least daily, if not a few times a day. So this is the basics. We start with a finger or two fingers, and we go to the inside edge of one eyebrow. And we're just doing some gentle, easy massage on the skin here. The point is not really to push or to move the muscles. It's really just to activate and to contact the nerve endings that are coming to the skin here. And then we slide across the brow to the temple. And again, just gentle, easy massage there, moving the skin. Breathe. Gotta remember to breathe. And ordinarily I would have people do this 3 times. But for the sake of brevity, I'm going to move along. So the next is just very, very gentle contact in the skin, the soft part under the eye. And then maybe a sweep across the cheekbone to the temple. Breathe. So again, ordinarily we would do that 3 times, but we're going to go to the fun part, which is the ear. And you're just going to take 2 fingers and kind of squeeze, maybe a little tug down the outside edge of the ear. The ears are full of the nerve endings here that we are trying to work with. Okay, so you do that a few times. Again, take your time. Breathe. And we take a finger and we go to the inside edge of the ear here. That divot above the ear canal. And just kind of, again, move the skin around in there, and that should feel pretty good. Breathe. And again, do that as long as it feels appropriate. And then we finish up with a squeeze on this tab of cartilage here called the tragus. So just give that a good squeeze. Breathe. Often this will kind of release my jaw tension. And then we take 2 fingers in front of and behind the ear. And we go ahead and just get more gentle massage in front of and behind the ear. Okay, simple. And again, do that as long as feels good, but I'm going to move along for the sake of time. And then we finish up this side with just some gentle pressure down the side of the throat and neck. Okay, we move along to the other side, inside edge of the eyebrow. Again, just gentle massage there. We're not trying to win any races or prove any points, just mindfully, gently connecting with these nerve endings across the eyebrow to the temple. Breathe. And I'll skip the next 2 passes to keep the video short. And then, again, just gentlest touch under this eye. And a stroke across the cheekbone to the temple. Back to the ear. Again, squeezing, tugging a little bit down the outside edge of the ear. Breathe. Okay, I'm not good. Little jaw release there. Finger inside the ear. Divot here, the concha. We're just moving that around. And if you do notice the desire to sigh or to have a heavy breath or to swallow, that is a good sign. Squeeze that tragus tab again. Breathe. 2 fingers in front of and behind the ear. As long as you like. But for now, we're going to wrap it up again with just some pressure down the side of the throat. And that is the exercise. Again, super easy, super simple, and I believe very effective, not just in the moment to relieve some anxiety or some tension, but to help train the nervous system to be able to relax more easily. So that's it. Enjoy.